Before I started this YouTube channel, I always knew deep down in myself that once one day I would need to get myself a drone. Let me explain to you where I come from. 2 years ago, I got myself some secondhand Mavic Pro drone. It was my first and only one drone, and I really enjoyed it. And once with that, I came across one music video and I'm like, what is going on? How can they do that? Is it for real? Is it some VFX or something like that? Because I'm telling you this because I've been to this place. I know this place. How can they do that? My Mavic Pro drone cannot do that. I just found out FPV drones existed. So I made some research and I found out you have two options. The first option would be to buy pre-built, so you get the goggles, the quad, and the remote controller. You receive everything at the same time. It's just run and gun. It comes pre-assembled, pre-built, configured. You have a second option, which would be to buy each piece separately, and you need to be willing, like, it's going to take you more time to start flying it because you need to be willing to take the time to assemble, connect, solder, and once everything is soldered and connected, you need to spend some time in the Betaflight software. By the way, there's a lot of content on YouTube about it, and Joshua Bardwell and Mr. Steele can be very helpful about it. There's one pro to this method. You will start later to fly it, but if you crash it, if some device malfunctions, you'll know how to fix it. There's a third option. A few months ago, DJI decided to release their own FPV drone. Here it is. Okay, so this is the path I'm going to follow. I'll start flying it in the normal mode, then sport mode. At the same time, in the meantime, I'll be training on the liftoff simulator, and then I'll finally unlock the manual mode. So let us start this FPV journey together, and please subscribe to the channel. Cheers, guys.